So here's another no crank, no start. It's an older model. Boy, a 7 kW. But anyways, this is what I like to see. Look at that. Nice long battery cables. When they shortened them up, that's when they started saying you needed a 26R, because anything different, the battery cables probably wouldn't attach very well. Now, it's not a bad battery, but I'd say that battery's been in there since this thing was originally installed. I'm guessing 2006. So, and the worst thing, these older generators, they were known to have the brushes stick. So I don't even know. I'll come back with a battery, try to jump start it, and see if it'll even start, and then see whether or not it produces a voltage. Because it's been sitting idle for a long time. But I'll check it out. If it'll start, run, and develop electricity, I will do a better video.